In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an N8n account. If you're ready to simplify your workflow automation or embark on an exciting new project, having an N8n account is the first step. We're going to take you through this process smoothly in just a few minutes. First, you need to open your preferred web browser. Whether you're on Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or any other, the process is very much the same. Once your browser is open, type in the official N8n website URL in the address bar. This will take you directly to their homepage, the starting point for setting up your account. Now, once you're on the N8n homepage, your next task is to find the Get Started button. This is generally easy to spot on the homepage and designed to catch your eye, ensuring that new users, like yourself, can navigate their way effortlessly. Go ahead and click on that button. Clicking on Get Started will navigate you to the Sign Up page. This is where you'll input your personal information to create your account. It's always good practice to have your information handy before proceeding to avoid interruptions in the process. On the Sign Up page, you'll find fields where you can input the required information such as your full name, a suitable company email address, a strong password, and a unique account name that reflects your personal or business identity. Remember, your password should be secure yet memorable. Aim for a mix of upper and lower case letters, numbers, and special characters to enhance security. Once you've filled in all these details, submit your information. At this point, you might encounter a prompt with a few onboarding questions. These questions don't take much time and are designed to help N8n understand your requirements better. Answering these can tailor your experience and ensure that you receive the right guidance and resources. There you have it. You've now successfully set up your very own N8n account. Explore the platform, tailor your settings as your needs evolve, and enjoy the world of automation at your fingertips. With your account ready, you'll be more equipped to streamline your workflows and get tasks done more efficiently. That's it for today's tutorial. We hope you found this guide clear and helpful as you set up your N8n account. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to consult N8n support resources. Thanks for watching, and happy automating.